Did you know there is a commission tier system? You can set your agents to change commission levels based on their total sales or based on the total of gross commission that has been remitted. This can also reset annually on January 1st of each year, reset annually on their hire date, or not reset at all if you want it to be cumulative. Each person or system user can have only one tier system assigned to them. However, you can have multiple commission tier types for your agency set up. I'm going to show you an example of two types of tier commission types. These are already set up in this agency under commission tiers. They called it a standard tier system based on the gross commission that an agent has earned. It's not resetting, so it's going to be cumulative. You do have the choice here to include either of these. They've got it set for 60% is the name of the commission because it's going to be 60% commission, starting at 0 and ending at $2,499.99. And then the next commission tier will start when they reach $2,500. And they've named it 70% commission since they're getting 70% commission. As you note here, the range end to the range start is different by 1 penny, so nothing will fall in between. And they've taken this all the way up to a 90% commission level once they have reached $175,000 in commission. The other one they named it special tier, and it's based on the total reservation cost that's been remitted. Again, it does not reset, it's cumulative. They obviously starting at 0, this agent will get 60% commission until they've sold $10,000 worth. And then tier 2 for 70% commission, 10,001 cents up to 30,000, and so forth. But remember, it's after the amount has been remitted. That's where you've come over here to your commissions. You've put in the reservation number, say, and you've actually slid the slider bar and remitted that commission. So that way, no one can be sneaky about this or anything. It's not going to bump them up until either the reservation has been remitted for the total reservation cost or the amount of commission they are receiving. And the calculation for accruing goes off the order of the remittance date and time. Now I'll show you how to set up one of your own. Here on commission tiers, hit the plus sign. I'm going to name this overall commission level, and it's going to be based on the total reservation cost that an agent is selling. It's not going to reset because I want it to be accruing over the course of how long they've worked for the agency. And I will start adding tiers. So their base commission starts at 0 until they've sold 100,000. They will receive 65%. Then the second tier will start at 100,000, 0.01 to 500,000. They will receive 70% commission. And then the last tier will be when they've sold 500,001 up to, well, however much. Just put in a big number, and they will receive 80% commission, the top commission that the agency will offer. And then don't forget to save. And if you decide you don't want a tier, you can go ahead and delete that tier system. So this particular agency has 3 different tier systems set up, but remember, each agent or system user can only have one assigned to them. The way you do that is come in here to the system user, and under the commission level right here, you can choose which tier you're going to assign to them and hit save. It's a great way to automatically set up the commission levels changing, say per year if agents are trying to reach a certain goal with their commission levels, or just accruing throughout the time of them working for the agency.